Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll show you how to make faceless YouTube videos with AI 2026 a complete walkthrough. So guys, this is the ultimate hands off zero face YouTube method. This is the ultimate hands-off zero-face YouTube method. So your first step would be to actually pick the type of faceless AI video you want to make. So AI now supports many styles, so you actually have to choose one. Do you want screen recorded tutorials? Do you want AI voiceover and then stock footage? Do you want AI animated videos? Do you want slide style AI narration videos? Or do you want full AI automation videos? And yeah, those are the list of what AI can potentially do for you. So let's say you run a tutorial channel. You could make use of the screen recorded tutorials where AI would simply help you with the scripting and most of the editing. Then let's say you want AI voiceover and stock footage like this channel here by Wolves. Basically, it's a football video. Now, what AI can do for you here is quite simple. It could simply help, in terms of your finance, in terms of finance, motivation of business documentary, it could help you with a voiceover and then help you produce stock footage. Most of the time, this stock footage has to be provided by yourself. You're going to have to find where you can get some stock footage like this and simply make use of it, and then the AI would voice over it. Now, moving on, let's say you want AI animated videos. How do you go about making use of it? How do you go about including AI into this? You could use tools like Pixel Lab 2.0 or Runway Gen 3 Alpha or Luma Dream Machine to simply create AI animated videos. So you could just simply head over to your browser, open it up, and simply search for something as simple as the Pixel Lab AI, and then select Pixel Labs 2.0, and then you can simply make use of Pixel Labs AI to simply get your content out there and on your YouTube channel here. You can just have it posted and uploaded. Now, other than this, you could also try having a slide style AI narration. It works well for top 10 storytellings and facts. So you can actually have So heading back to YouTube, you could actually have slide style AI narration videos where it is going to be a slide and then there's an AI rap, there's an AI voice that's voicing over the content and everything else. All right, and now the next thing you need to do is find topics that actually get views. So YouTube is full of different kinds of content. You have educational content, you have tutorials, you have fixes, AI tools, evergreen educational videos. You have basically any type of content from football content to gaming to music to storytelling. Basically, any kind of content can be found and showcased on YouTube, basically. Now, you can use AI tools. You can use AI assisted research by using ChatGPT as a topic miner for it to simply mine topics for you. You could also use the YouTube search autocomplete. So let's say you work in the football niche. So when you just type in football, you can see highlights and then you can see some of the most important highlights and then recreate that on your channel. Now, other than that, you could also try to generate the script using AI. So, if you were to log on to ChatGPT, all you need to do is just simply tell it to write you a script. So, basically, tell it to write you a script concerning so, 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 and then request for voiceover from your alternate AI. Just take the script from ChatGPT, place it inside the alternate AI. That's the Pixel Lab, and it's gonna simply voice it over for you, and then you take that voiced over clip and add it to your video. It could be anything like this. Now, once that's done, you could also try AI footage and visuals. Like I mentioned before, AI can be used for animations. So Pixel 2, Luma, Domo AI are all good alternatives. All right. And then last but not least, or you could also have AI video editing. So it is actually a massive time saver. You could use CapCut's desktop AI to simply help you out with that. So to get this started, let's just go ahead and simply search up CapCut. So you could make use of the CapCut AI to simply get some of your things done. Let's go ahead and open up the CapCut application. And whilst it's opening, I would have to mention that you can make use of AI voiceover options. So there's more than just the generic AI voice you hear on most YouTube videos. You can use 11 Labs for a more human like voice. You could use Meta Voice Box 2026, or you could try Revoicer Pro. Simply get your stuff out there. So the AI video maker on CapCut can also be used to make some of your content, as well as the AI assistant long videos to shorts. So you could get your shorts out. You also have the option to create AI videos. You also have AI images and video translation. So let's say you have a video in a different language, you could get it translated using CapCut AI, basically. Now, another thing you could try is the AI video maker. It's quite good, but you would need to pay for this service by joining the Pro feature on CapCut. Now, CapCut isn't the only video tool that offers this. We have Descript 2026 Studio, we have Runway Edit Assistant, and Vrew 3.0, as well as Filmora AI suites. So, what AI can do is it can remove the silence, it can add subtitles, generate B rolls, auto zoom important areas, and then cut out filler words, as well as auto timing with voiceovers, and also smart background music. And let's not forget the most important thing to every video, your thumbnail. So the thumbnail is quite important in every single video. So make sure your thumbnail is quality and you're also making use of what is available, and get your clickbaits out there. And last but not least, don't forget to upload. So most people don't know how to make uploads to their channel, but once you're on youtube.com, you're signed into your channel, just click on the upload icon here, and then you can upload. And then by simply selecting files, you could simply upload any file from your computer over to YouTube. All right, guys. So that's how you can go about using AI for your YouTube channel. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.